Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I finally have another clean with me video. As you can tell, this is a different little setup I've got here, but I always got to start my video with some coffee. And I'm excited because this is the first time I've made an iced latte. My mom has the big fancy Keurig, the one that I wanted, but maybe I'll get it for Christmas. And it has the option to make cold whipped coffee or cold whipped milk or whisked milk, foamed milk, whatever. So I used my butter toffee Gloria Jeans K-Cup. This is just some sugar-free vanilla syrup, and I am going to give that a little stir. I did add a little extra ice because the espresso kind of melted the ice, you know? So I'm gonna dump over the milk. Oh my God, y'all, this coffee is so good. Like, it's probably my new favorite. Like, I need to get an espresso machine ASAP. And I topped it off with a little bit of cinnamon. And girl, let me tell you, I'm probably gonna make another one literally after I finish editing this video because it was just that good. I'm super excited about it. So anyways, I am visiting my parents here in Texas and I needed to do a little cleaning because I'm staying in their guest room, of course. So I dumped in some laundry because I had a crap ton of laundry. Like, I go through probably 2 outfits a day because it's so hot here and I sweat so much. I feel like I need to change. Does anybody else feel like that? Like if you live in a really hot climate, leave it down below because your girl feels like she has to change because I sweat too much. So I'm just gonna start this laundry here and we are going to dive into cleaning the guest room. This was actually my brother's room when we all lived here at home. I had the room in the front, but that is now my dad's office. So we turned this into a guest room and she also stores some of her photography stuff in here. You'll see that in the corner. But this bed set or this bedroom set, the dresser, the side table, and the bed frame was actually mine before we moved to Minnesota. But we didn't want to take it with us because we needed to travel really lightly. So I left it here for my parents because they needed furniture for the guest room. So it just all kind of worked out. I'm gonna ask my mom where she got this comforter because it's very light and it's very, very comfortable, especially for the summer months. And I love the color. This pillow, the pillow that's on the left, I'm gonna link it down below. My dad, I forgot where he said he bought them, but it's a really, really great pillow. It's like a memory foam. I think he said it costs around $50, but it is very much worth it. I love it. And the little bear I'm putting here in the middle is a bear that I had from high school. I'm gonna kind of talk about the theme that my mom has here in the guest room. There are no decorations or anything on the walls because they do plan on repainting and taking off the popcorn ceiling and all that fun stuff. So I will talk about the theme here in a little bit, but I'm just picking up Jace's toys. There's a closet here over to the left. You can't really see it. The door on it is kind of messed up. My brother messed it up in high school and we just never fixed it. So Jace's toys are in there. His Cozy Coop's in there. So those Hot Wheels I just showed you, I had to stick there in his toy box. And of course, here are more Hot Wheels and planes and stuff. I just put them here in a shoebox. I'll go take them to the living room to his other toy box. So now I'm just picking up things that fell on the floor whenever I brought the laundry in here because I do have some laundry to fold because like I said, your girl has a lot of laundry. So I'm gonna get started over here at the bedside table. These are all books that I purchased from a secondhand bookstore that I went to all the time in high school. I love reading books. If y'all are interested in the books that I like to read, I will link some of them down below, some of my favorite authors. I'm a big fan of Audible, but I love a good hardback book to just sit and read. So I'm cleaning off the bedside table with the Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle scent cleaner. And that is a picture of Jace that my mom did. My mom is a professional photographer, and that is just a hint at the theme that she has going on here in the guest room. So this is the big dresser, this top drawer. just has some miscellaneous stuff in it, some of my travel items. And then the second drawer has like my hygiene stuff, because there's a lot of stuff in the bathroom. My parents actually don't share a bathroom. They have like separate bathrooms, and I would probably do the same because I have a lot of stuff and Chris has a lot of stuff. So I'm just dusting off this dresser here and putting back up the pictures. So the pictures that my mom has on here are, one of them, the one that's on the right, is of me at my graduation, and the one on the left is also at my graduation with my brother. And she likes to put like things that I buy here in the drawer so I don't forget them. So that was some Trader Joe's seasoning. So I'm just reorganizing these drawers here. They were kind of all over the place because we do so much during the day since we're on vacation. Things just kind of get thrown everywhere, like everywhere. So I'm going over here to the other dresser, and the theme that she has, and what's a really good idea, is if you have a guest room, it's a really nice idea to put up pictures or memorabilia of the family member or friend that you have coming in town, just so it makes them feel at home. So my mom has all of my graduation stuff up here. That's actually my diploma from when I got my associate's degree. It just stayed here. I forgot to take it whenever we moved, so she put it up here in the room for me. My pictures that she took from graduation, and my graduation invitation, and the card that she gave me for graduation. So it's just a really cute and sweet idea to have pictures and things that make you think of that family member or make them feel at home whenever they come to visit. So I got some clothes because, y'all, I'm a like retired shopaholic, but my shopping goblin is coming to life again. This sweater that I got, it's a half sweater. It has Aaliyah on it. It was $2.99 from the store called Agassi. And this little romper that I just folded, I got from Target for like $7. Jace also got some pullover hoodies and some new little t-shirts that are on sale. Y'all, shopping in Texas is so much easier than shopping in Minnesota. Like, everything here is on sale. So naturally, I had to buy some stuff. Like this video, give it a thumbs up if you hate folding laundry, because I can't stand it. I love shopping, but putting the items away is just not my favorite. I don't like doing laundry. I hate it. I'd rather clean 100 toilets than fold laundry because it's just a pain in my butt. This shirt that I have on, by the way, shout out 90s kids, this NSYNC shirt, I also got from the store Agassi. It was like $2 as well. I'll link the store down below because it's only in a couple of states. I know for sure here in Texas, quite possibly in California, and I'm not sure where else. But they do have a great return policy if you order online, so I'll link them down below. And this shirt that I just found in the laundry that I washed is severely stained, probably chocolate milk, so it's gonna have to soak. This dress here I also got while I was down here. I got it from the thrift store. I went to the thrift store and there's so much stuff, and I wish I could just buy a whole new wardrobe while I'm down here and take it all back because it's all so much cheaper here, but I can't do that. One, I don't have enough space at my house, and two, my bank account and my husband would probably kill me. My mom popped in the room to see what I was doing if you see me talking. She's very, very, very intrigued by my cleaning videos. Both my parents are so supportive. They're great. And apparently so is Electra, our family cat, because she jumped up here and wanted to see what I was doing. But yeah, my parents are my biggest fan. They are just the best in the whole world. Give this video a thumbs up if your parents are your biggest fans. Now I'm just putting everything away. There's not really a rhyme or reason to my folding or the way I'm putting things away, just because, I mean, I'm gonna have to be packing up so we can go back here in like about a week. So I'm just kind of shoving everything in there and keeping everything together so I don't forget anything, so my parents don't have to pay an arm and a left leg to send me the stuff that I forgot. Because if you know anything about me, I forget things. Like, I'm very organized, and I don't know, I guess because I always have so many things going on, like little things I tend to forget. Like, I'll leave the house, I'm like, oh my God, honey, please go back, I forgot my wallet. So my mom's friend gave us this outfit for Jace, but it's actually probably too small. The shirt might fit him because my kid's a little string bean, but the pants definitely won't fit. I have all of my shoes down here. These are the shoes that I purchased the other day when I went shopping. They are from Rue 21. They're only $5 and they're pretty heavy. I'm obsessed with this army green color right now. I got these Steve Madden flats from the thrift store. They're like hardly used. They're super, super cute. And these little black heels also from the thrift store from Forever 21, I believe. And they were like $2. Now, these shoes, these tennies I'm getting ready to show y'all, I got in Minnesota from Plato's Closet. They're Nike Air Forces, and they retail at like 100 something odd dollars, and I got them for like 40. I love them. They're very kind of like boyish, but I love them. I think they're super cute. And the items that you see in the background are just kind of things that my mom has for her photo shoots and stuff, because she needs some extra space for them to be stored. Now I'm just going to finish off by sweeping up here in the room. There wasn't a whole lot that needed to be swept up or mopped, just because my mom had deep cleaned this room before we got into town. That's who I'm talking to right now. My mom's standing in the doorway, but you can't see her. So I'm just going to sweep up in here and pick up any little things that I see. There were a couple of stickers on the floor from shoes. I hate when shoes have the stickers on the bottom. It drives me absolutely batty. that is all for this clean with me video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope you got a little inspiration on my mom's idea for the way she has the guest room set up, because I think it's absolutely the sweetest thing ever. I love my parents dearly, and I love my childhood home dearly. So yeah, thank you guys so much for the continued love and support. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.